What's up, you guys? This is Empty. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my tutorial. This is a tutorial on how to hard reset the Aitum desktop application. Now, here's the thing. If you're in a situation where every time you try to open up Aitum on your desktop, it will attempt to open it up, but it won't open up at all, this is a solution because you need to do a hard reset. Now, how are you even able to do a reset if you can't even open up the application? I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, first off, what you need to do is make sure all your plugins or even your browser, if you're logged in onto the Aitum website, make sure that's all closed. That's the first step, okay? Make sure that's all closed, and the next thing you need to do is you need to go over to the search bar down below, open up run, and I already have it kind of typed in already, but I will put a graphic overlay so you know exactly what you're supposed to type in to find the Aitum folder. And also I have it in the description below, but you're just supposed to type in %, user profile with no spaces, another %, /.aitum. Click that, open that, and you'll find the folder. Now, what we need to do, we need to copy this entire folder just in case if something gets messed up of what we're about to do in a later step. So what you need to do is go to the folder previously. So it should just be like right next to the Aitum in the search bar in your Windows browser. And as you can see, I have the Aitum folder right here. Go ahead and copy that, and you can put it anywhere besides here. You can put it in your my documents. I just put it in desktop just as a temporary spot. I already saved it, so I don't know why I'm resaving it again, overlapping the same thing I've already done, but it is what it is. Now what I need you to do is go back over to the Aitum folder, and I need you to delete the settings file. As you can see, it's right here. Settings, delete that. And when that's done, the next thing you need to do is open up Aitum. And what will happen when you open up Aitum, it will give you the option to do a fresh install. So let me close mine because I don't know why mine was even open in the first place, but let's open it. It's going to go through its process. You'll see this. And then now it says welcome to Aitum. Click on fresh setup. You have to log into your Aitum account, and you should be pretty much done. And as soon as you see it open up, you know you've won, So this is a pretty simple tutorial. Again, make sure all the browsers are closed. Make sure you don't have any plugins, OBS plugins open, even the Aitum open. Do the run process of finding the folder, copy it. Once you're done with that, go back to the Aitum folder, the original, delete the settings, reopen Aitum, do a fresh setup, obviously log in, and you're done, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that was informative. I hope that would resolve 100% of everyone's issues of the Aitum not working. For some odd reason, it wasn't working for me, but now it is. All right, guys, take care. Peace.